Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a search bar in Power BI Desktop. Alright, let's begin. First, open the official website and access your report in Power BI. On the right, in the Visualizations pane, click the text filter icon. This will drop a new empty visual onto your canvas, your search bar framework. Next, go to the Data pane and pick the single column you want the search to filter. Now your search bar is ready. Click into it and start typing. The slicer will match entries in your chosen column and filter your visuals accordingly. Partial words or fragments work, which is helpful for long lists like customer names or product titles. Your charts, tables, and other visuals will respond instantly, showing only the data that matches your entry. A tip: choose a field that makes sense for how viewers naturally search. For example, use product names instead of codes for easier searching. So that's basically how you can add a search bar in Power BI Desktop. That's it for this video. Thanks.